At Eastwood, we've been helping DIYers and pros build, restore, and create for over 40 years. And now we're putting all of that knowledge in the palm of your hand with Eastwood University. This is available as an online, on-demand class or in-person weekend seminars, featuring pros like Kevin Tates and Eastwood experts to bring you clear, concise, and easy to follow instruction. Our in-person classes are available on multiple topics with professional instructors like Jamie Jordan and Brian Krause of Crucible Coachworks. Can't spend the time away from home? Our on-demand classes allow you to learn from anywhere and anytime. Want to learn how to weld like a pro? We got that. Want to paint your project car or truck the right way? Covered. Curious about metal shaping, rust repair, powder coating, or general fabrication? It's all here. These aren't YouTube tutorials. These are in-depth, high-quality courses built to help you learn faster and work smarter. Each lesson is paired with detailed reading material, including links to buy every product used, step-by-step written guides, and pro-level tips to reinforce what you've seen on screen. You're not just watching, you're building real skills with every module. So whether you're restoring your first car or taking your fabrication game to the next level, Eastwood University is here to help. Learn from the pros, build with confidence, and finally bring that next project back to life. Start your journey today at eastwood.com.